Good evening, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams, and the inner layer of the atmosphere, we're looking at the marine layer getting lighter, and it's going to return later in the week. As you move inland, of course, it's been a hot one, and we're not going to get too much of a reprieve. Now, looking at your sunrise and sunset times, sunrise for your Monday, 6:22 a.m., and it will set at 8:22 p.m. Notice those days are getting shorter. And then for your out the door forecast, we're going to start with a little bit of patchy fog, 56 degrees. Then by 1 p.m., we'll have clouds and sun, 61 degrees. And then by 7 p.m., 58 degrees. Now, looking at our radar from earlier today, you can see there are a few showers that have developed right along in our easternmost part of the state. There are a few little smaller fires that are just north of Eureka, but predominantly you're looking at a lot of smoke, and that enhancement is going to be in most part in Nevada and in the southern part of the state. Now, as we look a little bit further here in our future tracker, we're going to put it into motion. And again, we have a disturbance here that may bring a few showers and light thunderstorms. They'll be isolated in nature by late afternoon Monday and Tuesday in the inner, and I would say mainly in the inland part of the state. And that will be for a couple days, and then we'll get back into the heat. Temperatures along the coast will be pretty mild for the most part, and then by midweek they'll get back to being a little bit cool. High temperatures for your Monday: Eureka, 100 degrees, 99 for Willow Creek, 61 for Trinidad, and 77 for Klamath. So again, it's going to be a little bit warm, and then eventually it will cool down. And as we look at our southern temperatures, 107 for Redding, so you really want to be careful if you're going to be out and about, and 98 for Redway. Now, as we advance a little bit further here, we want to remind you that you mainly want to wear loose-fitting clothing. Let it be light in nature. Try to take a break from work or exercise, drink plenty of fluids, and stay out of direct sunlight. Now, your marine forecast, there is a small craft advisory in effect through this evening. And then tonight, we're looking at north winds 10 to 20 knots, easing to 5 to 10 knots, and waves are north 10 feet every 9 seconds. We will have the fog. And then for your Monday, you're looking at southwest winds 5 knots, waves northwest 7 feet every 10 seconds. And again, we keep that fog around. Now, for your forecast, we're having late patchy fog, then mostly cloudy conditions, 55 degrees. And then for your Monday, we're looking at morning fog, then partly sunny skies, 61 degrees. And then for your 7-day coastal forecast, we'll have fog each and every day. But notice we'll have more clouds than sun for your Monday, and then we'll have mostly sunny conditions for the rest of the week. Temperatures will be in the low to mid 60s. And away from the coast, we're looking at a possible afternoon thunderstorm will be isolated. And then the temperatures will be in the low to mid 90s, but by the end of the week, those temperatures will be about mid 90s. So again, take heed and take it easy.